Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Jeff Also Cooks, where it is almost New Year's Day, which means you are going to be in dire need of some hangover pancakes. So to get started, go ahead, give yourself a little dance, mix up your coffee, wipe the foam off on your wife's housecoat, realize your mistake, and try and fix it real quick. And with all that said and done, we can get started. Alright, let's take this off. So to start, you're going to need a bowl and a sieve. Give your sieve a twirl for good luck. And into your sieve, go ahead and put 2.5 cups of all-purpose white flour and sieve with reckless abandon. Because it's not like it's early in the morning and you have to clean it. If you made a bit of a mess, go ahead and clean that up. And then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Sieve it all together and put it aside because we have to start working on our wet mix. By this time, your dog and wife should be waking up to the sound of you making delicious pancakes. To your bowl, go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a tablespoon of sugar, and mix that together. Then add in 4 whole eggs and mix that together. Once well incorporated, mix it up with 2 cups buttermilk and just a little bit of vanilla extract. Start mixing your wet and dry with a wire whisk until it starts to clump up, and then fold it into itself. You want to leave little clumps of the dry mix in there. This will get hydrated because we are going to set aside our mixture into the fridge for about half an hour. This will give you enough time for a well-deserved coffee break. Half an hour has passed and it's time to bust out the griddles. Add a little bit of canola oil, spread it out, and using the same paper towel, lube up your ladle. You will thank me for this later. Add a little bit of butter, the canola oil is going to help it from burning, and start pouring out your pancake mix onto a hot griddle. I do about 3 at a time, I like them big. Once they've browned around the edges and the top has some bubbles in it, go ahead and give it a flip. Oh my god, congratulate yourself on the perfect pancake, because as we all know, the first pancake is never the good pancake, but this time it was the good pancake. I'm super proud of it. My hands are in the air. Moving on, same procedure, lube your griddle, pour out some pancake mixture. This time, because I'm feeling crazy this morning, I'm making some chocolate chip pancakes, so just add those, flip, take them off when they're done, rinse and repeat with the remaining batter. And before you know it, you have the fluffiest pancakes to spoil your hungover with this New Year's morning. These are going to be the fluffiest pancakes you've ever had. They're honestly the best pancakes I've ever made. So before I dig into these delicious pancakes, I just want to thank you all so much for watching, and I wish you all the best this holiday season, and I will see you in 2020. Now if you'll excuse me, I have to go eat these.